Store-bought mayo is easy, sure, but is it actually good? Today I'm mastering homemade mayo and we are making three kinds: the classic gold standard, a punchy garlic aioli, and a wild version made with hard-boiled eggs. Let's see which one is actually worth the effort. First, the benchmark, classic mayo. The beauty here is simplicity. The magic is in forcing oil and water to become best friends. For that you will need a tall narrow container and an immersion blender. The space between mixer and the container wall must be as small as possible. Add 1 whole egg, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, half of a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Put the immersion blender at the bottom of the jar and mix everything. Then add 200 milliliters of sunflower oil. Start blending and don't move the blender for the first 15 seconds. You literally watch it transform from watery to wonderfully thick and creamy. The key is adding natural oil, such as canola or sunflower oil. It's done. Look at that smooth, glossy texture. Time for a taste. It's rich with the perfect tang from the vinegar and mustard. This is our control. It's creamy, tangy, but can we do better? Let's kick the flavor up with contender 1, garlic aioli. While traditional aioli is just garlic and oil, modern versions like mine use an egg for that creamy texture. Half of a teaspoon of salt, pepper to taste, 3 cloves of garlic, mix, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 200 milliliters of sunflower oil, blend. It looks like the classic, but the taste is a whole other story. This is mayo at a rock concert. The garlic is sharp and assertive, cutting right through the richness. This condiment has serious personality. Now for our wild card, hard-boiled egg mayo. I'm blending 2 cooled hard-boiled eggs with the same mustard and vinegar, blitzing them in a paste before adding oil. The concept is simple. Using a cooked egg, remove any raw egg volume. Okay, the texture is different, it's much thicker, so I add a tablespoon of water and blend it again. Where the classic mayo was glossy, this is more made. If you don't add water, it will be a bit dense and grainy. And the flavor? Wow! It's not bad, but it definitely doesn't taste like mayo. It's like a very smooth egg salad filling. It's rich and heavy, with the cooked egg flavor as the undeniable star. It's the moment of the truth. We have the classic, the aioli, and the hard-boiled egg. Let's test it on roasted potatoes. The classic and aioli are velvety smooth, but the hard-boiled egg version is much more intense and more like a paste. As for taste, the classic is balanced and versatile. The aioli is a flavor explosion of garlic. The hard-boiled mayo is, well, eggy. Egg is not a background player, it's the main character. So, which one is worth your time? For best all-arounder, the winner is classic mayo. It's clean, creamy, and the best friend for any dish. For most exciting flavor, it's not contest, the garlic aioli. This is the life of the party, killer on roasted potatoes or as a fantastic dip. And our wild card, the hard-boiled egg mayo, is the biggest surprise. I wouldn't use it like regular mayo, but for an intense deviled egg dip or a creamy egg salad base, it's fantastic on its own terms. So, which is truly worth the effort? For me, since the classic mayo takes less than 2 minutes and is a massive upgrade over charred stuff, it's the cleaner winner. Was the experiment worth it? Absolutely. Classic homemade mayo has earned a permanent spot in my fridge. If you like this culinary adventure, tell me in the comments which one you would try first. Don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen experiments, and I will see you in the next one.